This is a guide that will show you how to do your research paper very easily. Make it as easy as possible for you. Once you've decided on a topic, you have to find your sources. And so you would log in to eCampus and then you go to the My DCCCCD tab and then search for articles in the database. Okay, you can look at opposing viewpoints or CQ Researcher. Both of these are good and current over controversial issues. And so I just start with opposing viewpoints. And I picked a topic, genetically modified food, and started reading all the articles. This right here just gives you an overview of the topic. And then if you go down here, there's featured viewpoints. There's actually 6 different viewpoints that you can open up and look at them. This says it helps farmers, harms the environment, how it's regulated, needs more regulation, are safe to eat or not safe to eat. And so by doing this, you get a good overview of the topic, which is what you want. You want something where you haven't 100% made a decision on it. You're trying to learn something here. Okay, so always start with this. Now, this is what's going to make your life easier. As you read this article, you take notes and highlight them. I did this earlier, and the notes will last, I think, for today. And once you've logged out, they'll be gone. So you have to make sure you save them. And you just read the article, and here we go. And highlight information that you think is important. You may or may not use it. This is more background information. I tagged it. This is called a tag. And this is kind of how I would use this quotation. I would use this when I'm writing the background information about GMOs. Okay. And so this was interesting right here. It's more background information about why we develop these, and it's to help the crops grow and also to combat pests. But it also kills butterflies. So this is background information, and it's ecological. Oh my goodness. Some of the dangers of the GMOs. Okay. So as I read through this, I highlighted every possible thing that I thought was interesting or that I might be able to use. And this talks about the benefits. It talks about how it improves livestock. And then it has the opposing side, which are the disadvantages, health problems, and environmental concerns and access issues, because not everybody has access to the genetically modified seed. Okay. Once you've done this, you can go to your notes, highlights and notes, and it's all here on one page for you. Okay, again, the only problem is that it will not save for you, so you have to put it somewhere safe. And what I did, I was copied all of my notes from this one article, Control C, and I pasted it into my Google Drive, which is right here. Okay, these are all of my notes from this one article. And if you look here, I have added the citation information, which I got from the very end of this article, right here. Okay, you put it after the date, period, you're done. I don't need the URL information. Okay, there's my notes from one article. Now you know you have to have a minimum of 6 articles, and so you would do this 5 more times, looking at 5 other articles, 6 in total. Now by doing this, I kind of have an idea. My essay is forming in my mind, and so I know I'm going to have a paragraph about background information. I know I'm going to have a paragraph about the dangers, and I might have more than one paragraph about dangers. I would probably have one about the ecological dangers, one about the health dangers. Okay, then there's ecological benefits, so I definitely have a paragraph about that. And then the health benefits, adverse health issues. And so just by taking notes and then tagging my notes, it gives me an idea of how to develop my essay and what each paragraph is going to be about. This makes the outline so easy. Now all I have to do for my outline is create a new document. Okay, title it. GMO. Okay, and then format it like an outline. I haven't decided on my opinion yet, and so I'm going to leave the thesis blank for now. Okay, but once I've done all my research, I'll know what I want. Now I do have my background paragraph, so all I have to do is go to all of the notes that I've taken from all 6 sources, and anytime I talked about background information, like right here, I will put it in my outline. Copy paste. The only thing I have to add is the parenthetical citation. And it comes from this right here, genetically modified food. That's the name of the article. There's no author, and so I don't have a name to put here. So I'll just put this. Okay. And I will repeat this process until my outline is all done. This is more background information. Put that in my outline. And again, my citation. Okay. Repeat, repeat, repeat until you have finished going through all of your notes and organizing your outline and seeing where your essay is going. Okay, and so for example, once I've done all my background information, I'll go to the next topic, which might be ecological benefits. That's what one of my paragraphs will be. And so I'll go through here, dangers, benefits. Here's benefit right here. You can plant these things anywhere. That's one of the benefits. Okay. Now remember, you have to make sure you have all 6 sources blended nicely together. Okay, is there another benefit? There's another benefit right here. Once you have your outline done, I know a lot of students hate to outline, but one of the benefits is that it's virtually the skeleton of your essay. You have your sources, now you just have to embed the sources and analyze the sources and make your argument. Okay, let's say I'm going to have a paragraph about the ecological problems, the detriments. I could do that as well. And then it talks about it, health benefit, adverse health, adverse effects right here on plants and other animals. And so that's what I would put that. I wouldn't have even known about these topics until I did my note taking and I tagged the notes, and that's what will help me organize my essay. Okay, once you have your outline done, you have all your evidence, you have cited everything properly, then you can just write your paper, and this will make it so easy. And I will show you how to do that in the next video.